The law of syllogism is just like the transitive property that we have that you talked about in Algebra 1. So we're going to look at the law of syllogism. It sounds a lot more complicated than it is. So we're looking at this thing called the law of syllogism. Okay? A syllogism is basically, that is a transitive relationship. That's like the transitive property. And if you don't remember the transitive property says if A equals B and B equals C, then A also equals C. So that's a transitive relationship. Law of syllogism, same thing, except now we're using statements and conditionals. So the first one, if the moose is hungry when he goes to the pizza shop, okay, that's the first part, then he'll finish the whole pizza. So if he's hungry, he's going to finish. If A equals B, hungry, finish. Okay? If he eats a whole pizza, see how this is still my B? And I'll go ahead and mark these for you so you can see them. If he eats the whole pizza, then he goes through a pitcher of soda. Okay? Okay? So that's C, right there. And this is still B. Okay? So if A equals B and B equals C, then what we can write here is we can say if Moose is hungry when he goes to the pizza shop, he's going to finish a whole pizza. If he finished the whole pizza, then he's going to go through a pitcher of soda. Therefore, I can jump and say A and C are equivalent. So how I would write this is if Moose is hungry when he goes to the pizza shop, then by the transitive relationship, or the law of syllogism, he will go through a pitcher of soda. Sorry for running out of room here. So we've just used the law of syllogism. Now another example you may see is what I used earlier. If you play football, then you have to wear the required uniform. The required uniform has a helmet. Therefore, if you play football, you wear a helmet. Because what you're doing is saying if you play football, then you have to wear the required uniform. No gray area there. The required uniform has a helmet. Therefore, if you play football, then you wear a helmet. So that's the idea behind the law of syllogism. And again, it's that transitive property. If A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C.